Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the meaning, application and sample case of Locus Standi. Let's dive right into it. Locus Standi, also known as standing, is a legal concept that determines whether a person or entity has the right to bring a lawsuit or participate in legal proceedings based on their connection to the subject matter of the case. It is a fundamental principle of civil procedure and helps ensure that only those with a legitimate interest in the case can participate, preventing frivolous or unnecessary litigation. Meaning: the term locus standi is Latin and can be translated to place of standing or standing in the place of. It refers to the legal capacity of a party to demonstrate sufficient connection or interest in the matter at hand, giving them the right to appear before a court, seek remedies, or be heard in legal proceedings. Application: in many jurisdictions, individuals or entities seeking to initiate legal action must establish locus standi by showing the following. 1. Sufficient interest. The party must have a personal or direct interest in the subject matter of the case. It's not enough to have a general interest, there should be a specific and tangible connection. 2. Causation. The party should be able to demonstrate a cause and effect relationship between the legal action they are seeking and the harm or potential harm they may suffer. 3. Standing to sue. In cases where the individual is the plaintiff, they must show they have been directly affected or injured by the defendant's actions and that a favorable court decision could provide a remedy. Sample case. Let's consider an environmental lawsuit as an example. Case: Citizens for Clean Air v. Polluting Industries Incorporated. Facts: Polluting Industries Incorporated operates a factory near a residential area. Citizens for Clean Air, an environmental advocacy group, seeks to bring a lawsuit against the company, claiming that the factory's emissions are causing health issues and environmental damage to the community. Locus standi analysis. 1. Sufficient interest. Citizens for Clean Air has a legitimate interest in the case since they are an environmental advocacy group dedicated to protecting air quality and the environment. 2. Causation. The group must show a causal link between the factory's emissions and the alleged health and environmental problems in the community. This might involve presenting scientific evidence, expert testimonies, or environmental impact studies. 3. Standing to sue. Since Citizens for Clean Air is not directly affected by the emissions, they would need to demonstrate that their members or the community they represent have suffered harm or are at risk of harm due to the pollution. They might gather evidence of increased respiratory problems or present complaints from affected community members. If Citizens for Clean Air successfully satisfies the locus standi requirements, they would have standing to bring the lawsuit against Polluting Industries Incorporated and advocate on behalf of the affected community. On the other hand, if they fail to meet the standing criteria, the court might dismiss the case for lack of locus standi, meaning they do not have the right to pursue the lawsuit. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.